Alright, I'm here outside New York Pizza Suprema in New York City. And we are at 8th Avenue, West 31st Street. Yeah. Let's go in and see what they have. So their slices are, some are $5, $6. I hear music. Wow. Okay, I might have to mute, guys. All right, got my pepperoni slice. It came out to $8.50 with the water. Let's have a look at this. So they had it in a whole slice. Maybe I shouldn't have asked them to cut it in half so I can pick it up better. Oh, darn it. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, well, that's how it looks. All right. This is gonna be hard to eat. I should have got some napkins. Not bad. Pepperoni slice.